Good afternoon, students. Let us go for the next method, that is a step deviation method. The formula for the step deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi into h. Fi is nothing but the frequency of a class interval, ui is nothing but the deviation of the class interval, then h you know as a class size. Let us go apply this step deviation method into one example. Now I have taken the example here, 30 women were examined here in the hospital by the doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded here. They are given in the column here. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Choosing a suitable method. They are given any of the method you can. If you use any of the method also, you will get the answer as the same as in the approximation value. So let us go for the columns here. The first column I have taken as a class interval, the second column as a fi. Now we have to find out the xi. Xi is nothing but the class mark. Class mark means the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 68 plus 65, it is nothing but 133 divided by 2. 133 divided by 2, it is 66.5. Once if you got, you can arrange very easily the xi column. So 68, 65, 66.5. Next 68, 69.5. Next 72.5. Next 75.5. Next 78.5. So next 81.5. Last is 84.5. We have arranged the xi. Now next comes a ui formula. Ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. What is a? What is the value a? And what is a? A is nothing but the assumed mean. So how to identify the assumed mean? Before finding the assumed means, we need a xi column, that is class mark column. So in this class mark column, how many terms are there? If there are odd terms, the middle one, exactly the middle one, it is nothing but the assumed mean. So here 7 are there, 7 terms are there in the class mark. So the middle one, exactly middle one, it is nothing but 75.5, it is nothing but a assumed mean. A value is what? 75.5. Now we have to subtract here. One I will show you, the other one you can do it very easily. So xi, shall I solve it here only? 60 ui is equal to xi, it is nothing but a 66.5 minus 75.5 divided by 3. You can take it separately with a pencil in a separate, because a column it will be very small. So 75.5 divided by 3. What is 3? How you got class size? Class size is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. 68 minus 65, that is nothing but a 3. So class size is 3. So 66.5 minus 75.5, that is nothing but 9. 9.0 divided by 3, that is 3. The value is 3. But here the bigger number sign is minus. So the answer will be negative. So here the answer is nothing but minus 3. Next answer it will be minus 2. Next one is minus 1. Now here 75.5, it is nothing but 75.5 minus 75.5, that is 0. Now once you get your negative numbers, here it will be positive. 1, 2, 3. Now the next column, it is nothing but you have to find the product of a fi and ui column. So 2 3s are 6, plus into minus, minus. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8. Next 3 1s are minus 3. Next 0. 7 1s are 7. 4 2s are 8. Next 2 3s are 6. This is a fi ui column. Now you have to find out the summation of fi into ui. Summation, it is nothing but a sum. Summation, it is nothing but a sum. Fi into xi is equal to, it is nothing but a 4. You can check it, minus 6, minus 8, minus 14. Okay, you can add these all, you will get the answer as a 4. So summation of fi, it is nothing but sum of these. Okay, already they have mentioned here 30 women means it is nothing but frequency, it will be 30. Okay, clear? Now apply this in the formula. Okay, now assume the mean is 75.5 plus summation of Fi Uy, it is nothing but 4 divided by summation of Fi, it is nothing but 30 into H is nothing but class size, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens. So 75.5, 4 by 10 answer is 0.4. So the answer is 75.9. This is nothing but the mean. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon students. Today let us discuss about the exercise 13.1 fifth problem. Now here there is a retail market in a fruit vendors. They were selling the mangoes which are kept in packing boxes. These boxes they contain varying number of mangoes here. The following was the distribution of the mangoes according to the number of boxes here. 50 to 52 mangoes are there, they are kept in 15 boxes. They are arranged in 15 boxes. Then 53 to 55 arranged in 110 boxes. Like this they have given the table here. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Which method? Your own method. Which one is easy for you? You use your own method. Either direct method, assumed mean method, or assumed mean step deviation method, or step deviation method. Now I am taking the assumed mean step deviation method. Why I have included a assumed mean there? Because without the assumed mean it cannot be solved. So you need a assumed mean. So I have written assumed mean step deviation method. Now I have taken a class interval here because here in this class interval it is not continuous. For example 50 to 52. Next class interval it should be a 52 to 55. So, but here what happened? Here it is not in a continuous manner. So, what we have to do here? The upper limit of the first class interval, and the lower limit of the second class interval, that is 50 to 53. 53 minus 52 you have to do. That is 1. 1 is a difference between those two. So, divided by half. Half you have to when you do a half, you will get a 0.5. 1 by 2 is nothing but a 0.5. You have to subtract for the lower limit 50 minus 0.5 and add for the upper limit, that is 52 plus 0.5. So we go 50 minus 0.5, we will get it as a 49.5 to 52.5. Same way you repeat it, 52.5 to 55.5. The same way the class interval it is recorded. Next, already they have mentioned the frequency here. Find out the class interval, class mark for this class intervals. So, how to find out the class mark? That is 49.5 upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. First you add this 12 and it will be 102. Divided by 2, that is 51. You will get 51. As a class mark. 51, next one it is 54, 57, then 60, 63. Here it is 57, then 60, this is 63. Next column it should be as you are doing a step deviation method. So go for the formula Uy is equal to xi minus a divided by h. So xi minus Uy is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Xi means that is class mark. So a, we need a. What is assumed mean here? To find out the assumed mean, you have to count the class marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd class intervals, class marks are there in the class mark column. So, if there are odd, then the middle one, it is nothing but the assumed mean. So, assumed mean is nothing but 57. So, here 51 minus 57 divided by 3. H is nothing but the class size. Class size is nothing but the 52.5 minus 49.5, that is nothing but 3. So, it will be minus 6 by 3, that is nothing but minus 2. So So it will be minus 2, minus 1. This is 57 minus 57, that is 0. Then next is 1, then 2. Now find out the column as a Fi into Ui. Multiply the Fi and the Ui column. That is 52s are 30 minus 30. 110 minus 1, it is nothing but minus 110. Next it will be 0. Then 150. The last one it will be 50. Now find out the sum of Fi into Ui. So now Fi into Ui. Minus 30 minus 110. Now when you will do this one, you will get 20. So minus 30 minus 110, it is minus 140. 140, then plus 115, it will be 25. Minus 25 plus 50, it will be nothing but 25. So now go for the formula. Formula is nothing but mean is equal to A plus summation of Fi into Ui divided by summation of Fi into H. Okay, this is the formula. Now A assumed mean already I told you 57 plus summation of Fi Ui it is 25 divided by, now you need a summation of Fi, that is nothing but 400. So it will be 400 into class size is nothing but 3. So now 5 5s are 5 80s are, then 5 1s are 5 16s are. So the answer is 57 plus 3 by 16. So 3 by 16 means 57 plus, it will be nothing but 0.1875. So approximate if I take, it will be nothing but 57.19. You can write it as a 57.19 or you can write it as directly 57.1875. Usually after point we need only 2 digits. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn about the mode. Mode. Let us go for the definition first. Mode, it is in a grouped distribution. The mode of a distribution is taken as that value of the variable at which the objects tend to be most heavily concentrated. Means the persons those are more interested in that. That is nothing but the mode here. Or else in other words we can say it as the value in a grouped distribution having maximum frequency. It leads to the mode of the given grouped frequency distribution. It is, now it can be found out by using the mode formula. So the mode formula is nothing but L plus open bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket complete into H. Now what is L here? L is nothing but the lower limit of model class. What is model class? I'll tell you. Highest frequency when you select, for that highest frequency, whatever the class interval it is for that highest frequency, that is nothing but considered as a model class. Next, F0 is nothing but the frequency of the class, presiding the model class or presiding the model class selected frequency model class. So next F1. F1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class is nothing but F1. F2 is nothing but frequency of the class, succeeding the model class. Last one is nothing but H. H is nothing but already you are known in this class size. H is nothing but class size. Already I have told you about the mean for the ungrouped data. Let us revise once again. That is example. Now if I take the marks obtained by the students, marks obtained if I take marks obtained an example I am giving for the ungrouped data. For grouped data you have to use the formula for the group data. So marks obtained, and here number of students, it is considered as nothing but a frequency. Number of students, it may be called as a frequency. So if I take 10, 20, 30, 40 as a marks obtained by the students, and the number of students 1, 2, 1, 4. Now here number of students, this is frequency. Frequency which is highest in this? 4 is highest. In that 4 is highest. But for the 4, what is the data given? 40. This is nothing but a mode. So mode is nothing but, mode is equal to highest frequency data. Highest frequency data. That in this, the mode is equal to 40. In this, mode is equal to 40. Okay. Thank you.